Hello everyone. I would like to explain how to create our own website by using WordPress. First of all, go to wordpress.com and then go to login button. Here you should enter your mail ID. This is your WordPress account and enter your password. When we enter into the WordPress site, see the left hand side, we have my site, right? And on the left hand side, go to my site and I have the site which is created Shruti. Okay. Now here we have view site, stats, activity plan, site pages, blog posts, media, comments, feedback. Okay, all these are comes under control panel. Control panel is a very important thing in the WordPress. By using control panel, we can control all these things like site pages, blog posts, media, comments. Control panel allows us to manage blogs and media and pages and comments, feedback and all. And next here I will show you how to customize a WordPress site that we have created using some basic configuration, right? And next go to view site. Actually this is my website which I have created earlier. Now I just want to show you that how to create your own website. And first of all, go to customization. First we learn about how to customize our WordPress. Go to customization and here you will be having site identity, colors and backgrounds, fonts, header image, menus, content options, widgets, home page setting. Here first I will go to site identity. For example, if you want to put any logo for your identity, you can put logo by using this option like select logo. Now I'm not going to insert any logo. I'm not interested. And next coming to title. For example, if I want, earlier my title was Shruti. Now I just want to change my title as Effective Learning. Effective Learning, right? And my tagline will be by effective teaching, right? Then I go down, then next default and next if I click on publish, whatever the changes that I have made that will be added to your website. Publish. After publishing this, I'm going back. Then see this, how my website has been changed. Here earlier it was Shruti Reddy and effort succeeded, something is there. Now it has been changed to effective learning by effective teaching. Then after that, if you want to customize your WordPress, then you must have to go to this customize option. Here we have site identity. Just now we have done this site identity and next go to colors and backgrounds. For example, here we have number of palettes, color palettes. Here we have number of colors. Okay, among all these, whatever the color that has best suited for your presentation or for your website, that you can choose. Here for example, if I select this, yeah, it is good. And if I choose this, this is also good. Yeah, this is best suited for my presentation or for my website. Now, if I satisfy with this color, then I go to click on publish. Yeah, this is over. Then let me go back to my site and then again go to customization of my website and then again go to header image. For example, if you want to put any image on the header of your website, then you can put. I'm not going to do that. and then next one, widgets. Here, widget means is a small application that runs within your browser. Okay, here, for example, it's a footer. We can add a widget. We can have many number of widgets we have. For example, if we have contact information and map. Okay, and then I selected contact information and mapping. After this visibility and add a widget. I added this one, just now I added, and after that I click on publish. That will get published and I'm closing the button. Okay, I'm again going to customization of WordPress site and then again go to colors and backgrounds because actually this is not visible perfectly. Then I select this, yeah, this is good, and then click on publish. Now then go back and next let me go back to my site, and after that if I want to view my site, then I go to view site, and after that, for example, if I want to add some blocks to my website, then I click on blocks. Actually, these are the blocks which I have created just now. Then, for example, if I want to add some new block to my website, then what is that website? For example, GRIT. Yeah, this is my blog, and GRIT is a top 5 college in Hyderabad. Yeah, this is my blog, and then if I satisfy with my content, then I go to publish. Okay, that my blog will get published. And for example, if I want to add something here we have media from Google, free photo library, contact form, payment button, all these are available. If I click on media, for example, here I already added some data here. For example, if you don't have anything over here, then you click on add new button. From this, you can select whatever you want, then you can select from your computer, and then after that, close the button, and then that data will be appeared here. After that, just select this and click on insert button. Okay, that will be appear here. Then after this, I published. This will get published. My blog will get published now. After publishing this, okay, I again go to close button. Then again my site, and here blog. See this. Then click on this. Then see what are my blogs that I have created just now. This is my blog, GRIT. So GRIT is a top 5 college in Hyderabad. Okay, for example, if you enable someone to give a comment, then they may give comment by using this leave a comment. They can put a comment here. Yeah, just now we have uploaded hours and information. Yeah, contact and information. Okay, that is added in the footer side. Okay, that is appeared over there. And this is my site. And for example, here my research areas. Here we have this something. Okay, and for example, if I want to, for example, unfortunately, if I forget some data, okay, then I can click on edit button. There I can enter my data. Okay, one more research area, that is what real SI. Okay, then I click on update button. Okay, whatever the changes that I have made, that will be appear on my website. Then again, yeah, or this is updated and this is closed, and this is, and again I go to blog post and see how my website will be. See this, my research areas. Just now we had only wireless communication mesh networks. Now one more research area is also added to my website. That is my research areas. Okay, that is the way to create your own website by using WordPress. I hope you all understood about how to create your own website by using WordPress.com. Okay. And you can customize your WordPress and adding, and I hope you already understood about how to add content in the WordPress by using blog and posts, pages. Okay, and how can we manage the content after inserting in the WordPress. Okay, thank you.